I'm having trouble trying to sleep. I'm counting sheep but running out. As time ticks by, still I try. No rest for cross-chops in my mind. On my own, here we go.
I don't ever wanna feel like I did that then. Take me to the place I love. Take me all the way.
Yeah, everywhere I long to be. And all these other people that don't seem to understand, I'm just a man, they always ask what's wrong with me. Man, you're everything I crave. You're the only thing I let in that would put me in the grave. I'm a king, you're my Coretta. But lately I've been feeling like a slave for the nicotine. Slave for the... Said I'm a slave for the nicotine.
And I gave up everything for you, even my house. Now I'm begging on a nightly basis to sleep on the couch. My counselor said I need to find a way to block the pain. I told him it was already too late. She is in my veins and he said,
tell me what led you on, I'd love to know.
Cause I've been silent for years, I'm sick of trying to be a man about it. Hiding my tears and fuck the judgment. I got a messed up past, but when asked and confronted, I'ma shut down fast. And the truth is, girl, I cry when I think of you. And write a million songs that I'ma never get to sing to you. Talk about the places I'ma never get to bring you to. Show you what it's like to build a life and learn a thing or two. Now, what hurts me is that I love you, cause you're my older sister and the girl that I grew up with. Come on.
I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. I focus on the pain, the only thing that's real.
Money with me, get some money with me, get some money with me. Yeah. Where I'm from, we just live a little different. Flip European whips and get money out of bitches. Come on, come on, come on. Get some money with me. Get some money with me. Get some money with me. Yeah, I'm just washing dirty money like dishes. Grown man subtweeting like bitches. Come on, I'm on my own shit. 40 with the lawn clip. Snakes in the grass. Need to get the lawn clipped. All of my biz. Worry about your own shit.
Breathe it in and breathe it out and pass it on. It's almost out. We're so creative, so much more. We're high above, but on the floor. It's not a habit, it's cool. I feel alive. If you don't have it,
feed on addiction, selling pills and what's hard. And I wish I could save her from all their delusions, all the confusion.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no, no, no. Yes, I've been black, but when I come back, no, no, no. I ain't got the time, and if my daddy thinks I'm fine, they try to make me go to rehab. I won't go, go, go. I don't want to see you down. I don't want to see you frown. Let me go round.
Because the patterns, they control your mind. Those patterns take away my time.
Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you getting high.
She seems happier at night. Her color TV and a chemical smile. I don't wanna know the reason. I don't wanna know the reason. I don't wanna know the reason why.
I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Come on. I seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given rain.
Us, cause we're just under the upper hand. I'm going mad for a couple grams, and she don't wanna go outside tonight. And in a pipe she flies to the motherland, or sells love to another man. It's too cold outside.
Never mentions the word addiction in certain company. Yes, she'll tell you she's an orphan after you meet her family.
You couldn't sleep for the awful fright that kept you up in bed last night. But while curious shapeshift in the dark, they vanish with the sunrise spark. So rise and shine. Now's the time to be alive, to stay awake with me alive.
Am I dead? Or is this one of those dreams? Those horrible dreams that seem like they last forever. If I am alive, why? Why? If there's a God or whatever, something, somewhere, why have I been abandoned by everyone and everything I've ever known, I've ever loved? Stranded. What is the lesson? What is the point? God, give me a sign or I have to give up. I can't do this anymore. Please just let me die. Being alive hurts too much.
Coming out of my cage and I've been doing just fine. Gotta be down because I want it all. It started out with a kiss, how did it end up like this? It was only a kiss, it was only a kiss.
My drug dealer was a doctor, had the plug from Big Pharma. He said that he would heal me, but he only gave me problems. My drug dealer was a doctor, had the plug from Big Pharma. I think he trying to kill me. Tried to kill me for $1.
Sticking needles in your arm, taking
trash on the freeway, feeling depressed every day, leaving without making a sound, taking my dog up by the pound, living in a tweaker pad, getting yelled at by my dad, saying I'm happy when I'm not, finding roaches in the pot. Oh, all these things I do,
please, Mother Mercy, take me from this place and the long-winded curses I hear in my head.
This is the end, beautiful friend. This is the end, my only friend. The end. It hurts to set you free, but you'll never follow me.
It's the simple things in life, like the kids at home and a loving wife, that you miss the most when you lose control. And everything you love starts to disappear. The devil takes your hand and says, no fear, have another shot, just one more beer. Yeah, I've been there. That's why I'm here.
If I can be an example of getting sober, then I can be an example of starting over. If I can be an example of getting sober, then I can be an example of starting over.
God bless the child with the dirty face, who cuts her luck with a dirty ace. She leaves the light on, I still leave the light. Oh,
I close my eyes when I get too sad. I think thoughts that I know are bad. Close my eyes and I count to 10. Hope it's over when I open them. I want the things that I had before, like a Star Wars poster on my bedroom door. I wish I could count to 10, make everything be wonderful again.
There's a place that I go that nobody knows, where the rivers flow, and I call it home. And there's no more lies, and the darkness is light, and nobody cries. There's only butterflies.
I'm so happy, 'cause today found my friends are in my head. I'm so ugly, that's okay, 'cause so are you. Book on mirrors, Sunday morning is every day for all I care. And I'm not scared, light my candles in our days, 'cause I found God.
It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did, 'cause believe me, I've been through the ringer, but they can do little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye, I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beef flingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father, so I solemnly swear to always treat this roof like my daughters and raise it.
We've come so far, I guess I'm proud, and I ain't worried about the wrinkles around my smile. I got some scars, I've been around, I felt some pain, I've seen some things, but I'm here now. Those good old days.
You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone.
I'm doing this for every single friend that's ever died. I dedicate this song to anyone that's lost a loved one. So live your life, cause tomorrow may never come. Be grateful for your past, embrace it, don't get embarrassed. Every day there is more children growing up without their parents. I felt pain, look, I'm not afraid to cry. My life changed once I was willing to try. I've been given many chances, now it's truly do or die. I'm doing what it takes so my daughter would never see me high.
So high, this girl.